Cat Convention coming to Tampa in May. Feisty, cuddly, soft, and snuggly, cats hold a special place in the hearts and homes of many people. As a crazy bunch of cat-crazed individuals doing our part to increase the visibility of all cats. Loving Cats Worldwide, LCWW, is calling all cat lovers to come to the Tampa Convention Center on May 18th and 19th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. for a weekend of feline-forward festivities at the Tampa Catstravaganza. Featured events will include an international cat competition with both pedigree and household cats, a catwalk, a shopping village, charities, rescues, and a presentation stage. According to a video posted to the LCWW website, featuring one of its previous catstravaganzas, the catwalk will be an informational runway-style showcase of different cat breeds. Adult one-day tickets start at $20 per person. For children ages 5 years old to 17 and seniors, one-day tickets are discounted to $17 per person. Children under 5 years old enter for free. In addition, lifetime superfan passes are available as an upgrade to any ticket purchase. The upgrade costs $50 and includes perks like full weekend access, the ability to skip lines, reserved seating, an annual gift, meet and greets with Stephen Meserve, and access to all future Loving Cats Worldwide events.